Welcome to another episode of Time Tip Tuesday, where I take one of my easy 30-minute loaded potato recipes that use only pantry items and hack it so you only have 5 to 10 minutes of work, no thawing meat or hours of dicing veggies. And this hack isn't just 5 minutes of work, this is 5 minutes total to get in my belly. You could be eating good tonight with the most delicious, easiest, fastest pineapple teriyaki chicken that you will ever make. And it will become a weekly staple at your house. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your Refrigerator Eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system to make delicious, quick meals using just what's in your pantry for about $1 or $2 in just 5 to 10 minutes. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be sure to make sure you never have to worry about dinner again. This pineapple teriyaki chicken is a family favorite and my go-to when I have zero time to throw dinner together, which is always. It's sweet and tangy and so filling. Your family will love this dish and you'll love it because it's so easy and fast to throw together. But rice takes at least 20 minutes to cook. How do you have it ready in 5 minutes? My hack? Instant rice. Instant rice cooks in 5 minutes instead of 20, and it is my go-to for quick, easy meals. So since the rice takes the longest to cook at a whopping 5 minutes, we're gonna start with the rice. We're gonna add 2 cups of instant rice to a glass bowl and top it with 2 cups of boiling water. Now we're just gonna stir this all together, make sure all the rice is under the water, and we're gonna let this sit for 5 minutes and cook, and we'll get started on the meat and the pineapple on our stove. So in your pan on the stove, we're going to add 3/4 cup of teriyaki sauce and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and stir that all together. Once your cornstarch is all dissolved and cooking on low, we're going to add 2 cans of drained chicken and stir it all together. Your teriyaki sauce should start thickening. After a couple minutes, 2-3 minutes, once your chicken starts sizzling and is looking something like that, now we can add 1 can of drained pineapple. Stir that all together. So about the time that your chicken and pineapple is done heating, your rice should be nice and fluffy and absorb all the water. So now all we have to do is dish up. We're gonna plate some rice and then we're gonna top it with our pineapple chicken teriyaki. Oh man, this smells so good. Something like that. And now, if you want, you can top it with some sesame seeds as a garnish and some green onions. And there you have it, 5-minute pineapple teriyaki chicken. Now all we have to do is dig in. Don't mind if I do. This is so delicious. Your family is going to love this dish. And at 5 minutes, you can't beat it. You can also add sriracha or any other type of chili paste or any kind of hot sauce to spice it up, and it's still so delicious. Comment below if you are a sriracha fan. I'm not personally, but I've got some kids who love it and they'll put sriracha on anything, and this is so good with sriracha. Be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator by using items straight from your pantry. Till next time. I won't talk with food in my mouth. That's a lie. I probably will. Now I made this pineapple chicken teriyaki to serve 5, but check out the recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want extra leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator if you want to have this meal on hand ready to go in the pantry, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for 1 meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. You pick your meals, plan your week, and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart right from our site, all free. loadedpotato.org.